Hello everyone, welcome to General Knowledge Concept Builder sessions for law entrance examinations. In this video and the coming videos, we will be time traveling to 2021 to remember what it was like and to take notes from the lessons it has left for us so that we can have a better 2022. From the ravages of the Delta variant across the globe to the iconic victory of the Indian farmers against the 3 farm laws, 2021 was indeed eventful. Now, let's have a quick peek into the happenings of 2021 and this will aid you in acing your upcoming examinations. Let's start by having a look at the key events of January 2021. The year started with India beginning its 2-year term as a non-permanent member of the UN Security Council on January 1, 2021 for the 8th time. Then, almost a year into COVID-19 pandemic, India approved Covishield vaccine co-developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca. Later the month, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched world's largest COVID-19 vaccination drive. In January, the Allahabad High Court held a pertinent judgment that publishing a notice and inviting objection before a couple decides to marry under the Special Marriage Act was no longer mandatory under the provisions of Special Marriage Act, as this rule is against the fundamental rights, thus infringing one's ability to choose to marry without intervention. January also saw an end to the Trump era, with USA witnessing historical moments as Joe Biden became the 46th President of the United States on January 20, 2021, the oldest president in the American history, while Kamala Harris became the first female Vice President of the United States. And while coming back to India, though India did not have a chief guest on the Republic Day celebrations, India witnessed a massive tractor rally by thousands of protesting farmers on her 72nd Republic Day. The month of February began with a historic move from the Finance Ministry as it decided to go paperless during the Union Budget 2021. Due to the ongoing pandemic, for the first time in the history of independent India, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman arrived at the Parliament holding a tablet with the national emblem on it for presenting the Union Budget 2021. February then saw a devastating flood in Uttarakhand, also known as the Kamoli disaster, which resulted in several deaths and destruction to hydroelectric plants. Later in the month, India witnessed a renaming ceremony when the world's largest cricket stadium, Motera Cricket Stadium, was renamed as Narendra Modi Stadium. February also saw India making a step towards conserving the wildlife by announcing the 51st Tiger Reserve of India. Sri Prakash Javadekar, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, announced that the Srivilliputtur Grizzled Squirrel Wildlife Sanctuary and Mekamalai Wildlife Sanctuary had been declared as Srivilliputtur Mekamalai Tiger Reserve. The month ended with a successful launch by ISRO. PSLV C-51 lifted off successfully, carrying Brazil's Amazonia along with 18 other guest satellites, including 5 Indian satellites from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. The launch was part of the first dedicated commercial PSLV mission for the commercial company New Space India Limited (NSL). The month of March started with Maitri. Indian Prime Minister inaugurated Maitri Setu between India and Bangladesh. Rightly being called the gateway of Northeast, 1.9 km long Maitri Setu, or the India-Bangladesh Friendship Bridge built over Feni River, will be the fastest land route to connect the landlocked Northeast region via Sabroom to Chittagong Port. The bridge connects Sabroom in Tripura to Ramgarh in Bangladesh. The 67th National Awards for Films were announced on March 22, 2021. Legendary actor Rajinikanth received his Dada Saheb Phalke Award for his contributions to Indian cinema. Malayalam movie Marakkar Arabikadalna Simham won the National Award for the Best Feature Film, while Water Burial won the award for the Best Film on Environment Conservation. Best Actor Award was shared by Manoj Bajpayee for Bhonsle and Dhanush for Asuran, while Best Actress Award was won by Kangana Ranaut for Manikarnika and Panga. As March came to an end, India had a victory march by winning a total of 30 medals at the ISSF World Cup. April began by witnessing a historic moment when the Indian Railways achieved a major milestone by completing the arch of the Chenab Bridge, world's highest railway bridge that soars 359 meters in Jammu and Kashmir. This will be 35 meters higher than the iconic Eiffel Tower in Paris. Also, in April 2021, India was elected by acclamation to the three bodies of the UN Economic and Social Council for a 3-year term beginning January 1, 2022. The three bodies are Commission on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice, Executive Board on the UN Entity for Gender Equality and Empowerment of Women, Executive Board for the World Food Programme. This is Reshma signing off until we meet again next week with a new subject. Thank you.